Hello everyone. Remember me? It's Lee. Today I am going to the ghetto in.
We're bulletproof. A lot of people have guns.
It's fine. I'll outrun them with my tractor. Why do you need to go to Lynn? It's cheaper there, so I'm gonna buy a lot of gas. Can I come? No. Why? 'Cause you'll take up too much room. I need to fit as much gas on it as I can. Oh, fun. I hope you get shot. Fuck you guys. I'm leaving. Oh no. I think I pissed my pants. I'm scared. Here's the gas station. Hey, nice tractor. Thanks. What kind of tractor do you have? I drive an Escalade. My dad is so rich he just bought me a paintball gun. I don't care. Paintball is gay. Are you serious? You're just jealous. I have a real gun. Would you like to see it? Yeah, let's see this cool real gun.